Hi, Nick Nellis here from Truckmount, Wichita Falls, Texas. Here I'm going to show you the EZ2545 today, which is a 25 horsepower color and a 45 blower with a high pressure pump. This is your machine, the truck mounted machine. This is a 50-gallon fresh tank that comes with every machine, and that is our round cyclonic vortex waste tank. Creates better airflow and better suction. This is a vacuum adjust valve, so you can go anywhere from 16 inches of lift down to 7 inches of lift, depending on what you're using it for. This is your hour meter, vacuum gauge, pressure gauge, chemical injection, quick connect that goes to the solution hose that goes inside the house, garden hose hookup to fill your fresh water tank. Now, when you're installing one of these machines, you place it in place, you drill your holes through the floor, and you bolt it down using stainless steel bolts with big washers on the bottom to keep the machine, fresh tank, and waste tank from pulling through on an impact. Hope you never have an impact, but if you do, you want to make sure you have big washers under there to keep it from pulling through the floorboard. Upon installation, you have your pressure regulator right here. There's a hose that comes off the pressure regulator that is marked pressure regulator bypass, and it plugs in up here, and it's marked that says regulator bypass. You then have your black hose that is your fresh water in, and it's the number 1. It says fresh water in and goes to your fresh tank, hooks it up right here. You then have on this side where you have 2 controls. You get your number 3 hose, which has a jet in it for a trickle-back effect to the fresh tank, and you hook it up to where it says number 3. And the number 4 is your 100% bypass. If you'll bring the camera right over here, please. If you'll kind of zoom in right here, you'll notice you have 2 ball valves. And with the 2 ball valves, this is number 3 and this is number 4. When you're generally cleaning, you have it in that position. Number 4 closed, number 3 open. That'll give you about 180 degrees to 200 degrees at the wand and trickle water back to the fresh tank, continually heating it up. If you want more heat, you close that and you have 210 to 220 degrees at the wand. When you come out of the job, you open that number 4 ball valve up, open, and it drops 100% of the water back to the fresh tank, cooling off the machine and heat exchanger. And you can open this too, it won't hurt. This is your waste tank here. This is your dump valve for dumping the dirty water. This is where you hook your vacuum hose to up on top that goes inside to the house. And this is the black hose that connects the 2 together. Now you'll notice on this 2545 here, and we do this on all our machines, we have a 3-inch connector that goes from the waste tank to the blower stack. Now this is 2.5 inch here, but we put 3 inch here. It actually gives you a little better airflow. So what we're going to do now is, are we ready to clean? Yep. We're going to set this machine up. We're going to start it up in 1 second, and we're going to start cleaning. And we'll take you inside and we'll show you how we clean with it. And I'll talk to you.